Hi, let's talk about the anatomy of the urinary system. The anatomy is relatively straightforward for the urinary system. We have bilaterally paired, but not perfectly symmetrical, kidneys. The kidneys sit in the paravertebral gutter, so we're talking just lateral to the vertebral column, nestled in there between the ribs and under the diaphragm. They sit at about the T11 to L1 level, and there's a transpyloric plane that runs across where the hyla of each kidney is. Now, the kidneys are the dynamic filters of the blood, and they produce the urine, which is conducted down from the kidneys, down the abdominal cavity, over the surface of the psoas major muscles, and into the pelvic cavity, posterior to the urinary bladder. And then the final parts of the conductive system are the urinary bladder, which sits in the pelvic cavity, and then the urethra, which isn't pictured here, which is the pathway of the urine out of the bladder to the external world. So, in summary, for the anatomy of the urinary system, we have kidneys, which feed into urethrae, which feed into the urinary bladder, which is evacuated via the urethra.